get the bar of soap out. The sun is out, and we got a drizzle, and it was like golden shine before. I missed it. It is what it is, man. I watched the video, Sony ZV-1 Mark II, about settings, that you have a home menu that you could put your format, your everything, all the shortcuts, and you could change things around. I kind of knew that, but I just didn't know how to do it. Now, I'm going to go try it. I'm going to try to follow the videos. Man, where all these cars come? I'm not going to do another take and another 3 cars to come back down again. You come on all the way down here, instant on like that. I think you want me to sit down on a wet seat too. DJI, you're wonderful, man. I just don't get you. I don't even get that wireless mic thing. I had a high frequency. Woo, woo, woo. I just got buzzed. Was it the mic? Nah, it's a smartphone. I couldn't even hear the tone of an email coming in. The camera is waterproof, but to a certain extent, when the USB door is open and I have the mic on, the wireless mic on, I ain't gonna get room. But knowing people out there, man, we all do the stupidest things. And yeah, we'll dunk it with the door open, and we get our camera ruined, and we ask, "Oh, my camera don't work no more. I don't know why." And you know, they don't tell you they dunked it in the soup. So I got things set up. First transmitter for the Sony. Perfect. I may have to still tweak it a little. But why did I say perfect if I have to tweak it? If you say perfect and you got to tweak it, then something is just not right. So does that kind of tell you that the Sony dB is way too high? That no matter what you try to do, you got to lower the mic, and there's no 0 dB like DJI. You put everything on 0, it comes out perfect on the camera and the microphone. But on the Sony, it don't. Just don't get that. And that's why we try to figure things out and see what works best. So I got transmitter 2 for that. But I don't love putting the receiver on to the DJI. There's no locking mechanism like kind of like the Insta360, which will lock in. It wasn't great thought when they made the DJI wireless mic, but they wanted to work with everything else on the market. So when they made the Action 3, they could have made something a little bit better. They could have put in a deeper USB port and give us a special adapter, or maybe put 2 little holes on the side of the Action 3 when you take the door off. So when you put the mic in, you clamp down and it stays locked in. That is called a design, a nice design, like they did with the magnet clip. You got 2 clips on the side. They just didn't think of the USB side. But again, on the other hand, Insta, they thought of it. And they put a little clip so you could put a cold shoe on the actual camera itself and still waterproof and still have plenty of room to put their electronics in. Way to go, Insta. DJI, I don't know what to tell you. I had to glue mine on to the side of the battery door. I didn't want to really cover my speaker up, so I want to hear the beeps. I got a little hole there, but I'd rather put it on the side. Does a good job and it's away from everything if I ever need to use it. Doesn't take up much space and I could take it off. Ah, it's finally stopped. Oh yeah. Beautiful sky just opened up. Wow. I still gotta be a little careful. Biking. rubber and metal don't mix. You can stop, but it takes a little longer. Maybe discs are better? That's why. That's why. 12-day forecast, man. 5 days more of this nastiness and 2 days of nice. And another 5 days of nastiness. How do you like that? That's what summer's about, man. Summer's kicking in. I know it's good for the veggies. Oh yeah, they'll be growing nice and strong. My pepper, oh man, I think it's bigger than this. I don't want to crash into this green wall because I heard pepper. I turned around. I didn't want to get balked at. And I think I'm over my time limit. But I wanted to say it and I forgot to say it. I'm going to say it right now. I made videos. Somebody asked about the wireless mic hack. And they wanted to know if I put the glue on the wind muff. And I basically showed you how simple it is to do and how I did it all laid out. And the reason I didn't show me putting the glue on this and that, because it's a tedious process. You got to take a very fine point and just tap it around the mic holes. And then you take the wind muff and I laid it on top. I closed the door and that was it. I mean, it was so simple. But yet we ask those questions and I don't mind. I really love those comments so we can help out. So what did I do? I made a video showing what I did, but it had no sound. And I hope it got the point across to help you out. Before, during, after. I'm not sure when that video is going to come, but when it's going to happen, when the wind is going to kick. If the mic is facing up, it doesn't matter which way I put the mic. I put it inside, always inside, as you can see. It's tucked inside the best I can over here. So if I put it inside, chances are the omnidirectional mic shouldn't pick up the breeze, the ruffle. And I heard it just a little. Now I have to compare that to the Rode. It's the same exact cut, the same exact size, and all over the same exact hole of a mic. We have to try it again with the Action 3, the DJI mic, and the Rode mic, and see which one sounds better and which one in the wind doesn't ruffle. And I would have to do the same thing with the Sony, the DJI and the Rode, and see which one ruffles. And then I have to try with the DJI Transmitter 1 and the DJI Transmitter 2 with the DJI Dead Cat on, of all. So yeah. A lot of testing, if you ask me. You gotta go get it. If you don't want to go get it, you're not gonna have it at all. That's why you don't see the little, hey, subscribe, this and that. Because this one program I use doesn't have it at all. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I thank you very much for stopping by. I said a lot, did a lot, and I talked a lot on this wonderful, fantastic day. I'll see you on many other videos to come.